Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Alex. How are you today?
Hi, Emma. I am fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good, thank you. I wanted to talk to you about our favorite sports.
That sounds great. I like talking about sports. What sports do you like?
I like football and basketball. I also enjoy running and cycling. How about you?
I like football and tennis. I also enjoy swimming and cycling.
That is interesting. I play football with my friends on the weekends.
I play tennis at the local court on Saturdays. I sometimes watch tennis matches on TV too.
I love watching football matches. My favorite team is the City Lions.
I like the City Lions too. They play very well. I also watch basketball games. The Fast team is my favorite.
I have not seen many basketball games, but I like the fast team style of play.
Yes, they are very fast and fun to watch. What do you like about football?
I like the teamwork in football. It is exciting when the team scores a goal.
I agree. In tennis, I like the challenge of hitting the ball and the quick movements.
That is true. Every sport has its own challenges and fun moments.
Do you play football often with your friends?
Yes, we play every Saturday morning in the park. It is a lot of fun and good exercise.
I play tennis with my friend Sarah on weekends. Sometimes we have a friendly match.
Friendly matches are the best. They are fun and help us improve our skills.
I also enjoy swimming. I go to the pool on sunny days.
I like swimming too. The water is very refreshing, especially in summer.
Swimming is a great way to cool down and stay fit.
Yes, and cycling is another sport I enjoy. I ride my bike in the park.
I ride my bike on the bike path near my house. It is very peaceful.
Cycling is good for the heart and very relaxing.
Do you watch sports on TV?
Yes, I watch many football and basketball games on TV. It is exciting to see the best players.
I watch tennis matches and sometimes football games. Live matches are very thrilling.
I agree. Watching a live match makes me feel like I am part of the game.
Sometimes I even go to the stadium to watch a live football match.
That sounds wonderful. I would love to go to a tennis match one day.
Maybe we can plan a day to watch a live game together.
Yes, that is a great idea. I also like to play video games about sports.
Really? I play a football video game on my computer. It is very fun.
I sometimes play a basketball game on my tablet. It helps me learn the rules.
Video games can be a good way to understand the sport better.
Exactly. They are entertaining and educational at the same time.
Do you follow any sports events?
Yes, I follow the local football league and the tennis championship.
I follow the swimming competitions and the tennis tournaments. I like to see new talents.
It is inspiring to watch young athletes perform well.
I agree. Sports teach us many things like teamwork, discipline, and hard work.
Yes, and they also help us stay healthy and have fun.
I sometimes go to the gym to practice my fitness for tennis.
That is good. I do some running and stretching exercise at the gym.
Running is a great way to improve your stamina.
Yes, I like to run in the park early in the morning. It is very refreshing.
I may join you for a run one day.
That would be very nice. We can motivate each other.
Do you play any sports at school?
Yes, I play football in the school team. We practice every week.
That is cool. I play tennis in the school club. We have matches with other schools.
School sports are a great way to make new friends and learn new skills.
I agree. I have met many nice people in my tennis club.
I have made many friends on my football team. We work together and have fun.
What is your favorite sport to watch on TV?
I like to watch football. The matches are very exciting and full of action.
I like to watch tennis. The matches are fast and require a lot of skill.
Yes, tennis matches can be very tense, especially in the final set.
And football matches can change quickly. A last minute goal is always surprising.
That is true. Sports are full of surprises and excitement.
Do you have a favorite athlete?
Yes, my favorite football player is Alex from the City Lions. He is very talented.
I like Emma, the tennis player. She plays very well and is very strong.
It is inspiring to watch great athletes. They work hard and show great skill.
I agree. Their hard work makes them champions.
Sometimes I try to practice the skills I see in the matches.
Me too. I practice my serve in tennis and my dribbling in football.
Practicing is important. It helps us improve and have fun.
Do you play sports in a friendly way with your family?
Yes, I sometimes play football with my younger brother in the park. It is very fun.
I play tennis with my sister sometimes, even though she is not very good at it.
Playing with family is a great way to spend time together and be active.
Yes, it makes the sport more enjoyable.
I also like to go jogging with my father on weekends.
That is nice. I sometimes go for a swim with my mother. We both enjoy the water.
Sports can bring families together and help us stay healthy.
I agree. They are a fun way to exercise and bond with family.
What do you think is the most important thing about sports?
I think the most important thing is to have fun and be active. Winning is nice, but enjoying the game is more important.
I agree. Sports should be fun. They also teach us about teamwork and respect.
Yes, working together with others is very important in sports.
I love that sports make me feel good and help me relax.
Me too. After a game, I always feel happy and full of energy.
Do you have any plans to watch a sports event this weekend?
Yes, I plan to watch a football match on Saturday afternoon. What about you?
I plan to watch a tennis match on Sunday morning. I am very excited.
Maybe we can meet after our matches and talk about them.
That is a great idea. I would love to share my thoughts with you.
I also like to read about sports in the newspaper and online.
I do that too. It is interesting to learn about new players and upcoming events.
Reading about sports helps me understand the game better.
Yes, and it makes me more interested in watching the matches.
Do you ever attend live sports events?
Yes, I have been to a few football matches at the stadium. It is very exciting.
I have been to a tennis tournament and a swimming competition. The atmosphere is amazing.
I would like to go to a live basketball game someday.
That would be fun. Live games are always more thrilling than watching on TV.
I agree. The energy of the crowd makes the event special.
Maybe we can plan to attend a live match together in the future.
Yes, I would love that. It is always nice to share sports experiences with a friend.
What do you do to stay fit besides playing sports?
I do some stretching exercises and sometimes yoga. It helps me relax and stay flexible.
I also do some stretching and light exercises at home. I like to walk every day.
Walking is very good for your health. I try to walk in the park every morning.
That is a good habit. Staying active in many ways is important.
Yes, and drinking plenty of water and eating healthy food is also very important.
I agree. A balanced diet helps me play sports better.
Do you have any sports goals for this year?
Yes, I want to improve my tennis skills and maybe join a local tournament.
That is a great goal. I want to practice my football skills and help my team win more matches.
Setting goals in sports is very motivating.
Yes, it makes me work harder and practice more.
I wish you good luck with your football practice.
Thank you, and I wish you good luck in your tennis matches.
I hope we both achieve our goals this year.
I believe we will if we keep practicing and having fun.
Do you think sports are important for young people?
Yes, I think sports are very important for young people. They help us stay healthy, learn teamwork, and have fun.
I agree. Sports also teach us discipline and how to handle winning and losing.
Yes, learning to lose gracefully is an important lesson in sports.
I believe that playing sports makes school life more enjoyable.
I feel the same. Sports can make new friends and have fun together.
What is your favorite memory from playing sports?
I remember when my football team won a small tournament last year. We were very happy.
That sounds like a great memory. I remember my first tennis match. I was very nervous, but it was a lot of fun.
Winning is nice, but the fun of playing is the most important part.
Yes, every match is a chance to learn and improve.
I am glad we can talk about our favorite sports. It makes me feel happy.
Me too, Emma. I always enjoy our conversations about sports.
Maybe we can play a friendly game of football or tennis one day.
That is a great idea. I would love to play a friendly match with you.
I look forward to it. It will be fun to play together and learn from each other.
Yes, and we can also invite our friends to join us.
That would be very nice. The more, the merrier.
I have one more question. Do you think sports are good for your health?
Yes, I believe sports are very good for health. They help you stay fit, reduce stress, and make you feel happy.
I agree. When I play sports, I always feel full of energy and less stressed.
That is true. Sports are a great way to relax and have fun.
I am glad we both enjoy sports and talk about them.
Yes, it is always nice to share our ideas and experiences.
Thank you for talking with me about sports today, Emma. I enjoyed our conversation very much.
Thank you, Alex. I enjoyed it too. I always learn something new when we talk.
I look forward to our next conversation. Maybe we can talk about our favorite athletes or a recent sports event.
That is a good idea. I would love to share more about that next time.
Have a great day, Emma. I hope you enjoy your sports practice this week.
Thank you, Alex. Have a great day too. I look forward to our next chat.
Great job practicing English with us today. If you enjoyed this conversation, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our free English lessons. See you in the next video.